Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model and texture this GoPro. I'm going to model it, then I'm going to texture it, and then I'm going to animate it. So this is what we are going to do today. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our final animation. This is our final animation of GoPro, and this is our final render video. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.